Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a Bath & Body Works quick body care haul. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy. I do videos on fragrance, beauty, self-care, and body care. If you like that type of content, don't forget to subscribe before you leave today's video. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. How are you guys doing today? I am so happy to have you here with me today, and I appreciate all of the love and the support. With that said, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so I have a quick body care haul. This is going to be pretty much like a part 2 of the spring collection haul that I did not too long ago. And this is just to talk about the new scents, so this is the Fresh Laundry collection. So going into this collection, I wasn't too sure how I was going to feel about it because I'm not the biggest fan of laundry scents or super clean scents or anything like that. But I still wanted to give it a try and see how I felt about it because the white t-shirt body mist has been so hyped up. Usually when something gets hyped up, I want to try it because you do get intrigued, but fragrance is something that is very personal, so I just wanted to try it out and give you guys my thoughts on it since you guys know kind of like my taste and what I prefer and what I don't prefer. So I'm just going to be giving my thoughts on these new products. So before I get into those, I'm just going to show some random things that I picked up because I believe I did get these on sale. I don't remember. But not too long ago, I picked up the Twilight Woods body cream and I fell in love with that body cream. So I went ahead and I picked up the Twilight Woods fragrance mist and it looks like this. And you guys, this fragrance mist, I am in love with this scent and it does remind me of a perfume that I already have. I can't put my finger on what perfume it is, but I'm going to keep sniffing around my collection so that I can let you guys know, but it definitely reminds me of one of my fragrances. It has like a berry woody type of scent. I'm not sure, but the fragrance notes in this one are lush berry, sparkling mandarin, soft mimosa, apricot nectar, and cypress wood. So it's just a very woody, almost like, I feel like there's definitely berries. Yeah, there's lush berry in there, so I get like a berry type of vibe out of this one, but I just wanted to add this one to my collection. So this one is not new at all. I just wanted to add the body mist to my collection. And then for my husband, I picked up 2 body washes for him. I picked up, I don't remember what the one, he already has one in our bathroom. I don't remember the name. I think it's something Horizon, Clear Horizon or Clean Horizon, something like that. And then I also picked up this Ocean body wash for him. These just smell so good, so super good. So I got this for him. And then I picked up 2 body washes for myself from the brunch collection because I told you guys that I really fell in love with these 2 scents. So I wanted to get the body wash to go along with the sets that I have. So I picked up the shower gel and the whipped berry meringue. I think the packaging is really cute. And in the shower gel, this is definitely, the shower gel and the body cream are definitely a little bit more creamy and sweet, and then the body mist has like that musky berry vibe. So out of these, I prefer the body mist scent, but it is nice to layer this to build up that scent. So this one's really nice and sweet. And then I also picked up the Peach Prosecco Macaron. Super cute packaging as well. And this one, you guys know that I fell in love with this one as well. And the body wash smells super like refreshing, juicy, and sweet. So I can't wait to put these in my shower. And then now let's get into the Fresh Laundry collection. So I'm going to start off with the super hyped up white t-shirt scent. So here it is. I got the fragrance mist and I got the body cream. So the packaging is very simple. It's like white with gray and gold. And the fragrance notes for this body mist are crisp pear, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. So I was a little bit scared to try this one out because I do not like laundry type scents. I don't like super soapy scents. I do not like that cotton super sharp scent. It usually gives me a headache. So I was really excited to try this one out, but then also kind of like nervous at the same time. I was hoping that this would have like a clean laundry scent because it's kind of obvious that that's kind of what that's going to be, but mixed in with maybe something like fresh, kind of like that candle that I just got, the linen sheets. That one has like a very clean laundry scent, but it also smells very feminine. So when I first sprayed this, I didn't like it. So I'm just gonna go right to my opinion. I just thought that it was straight up like laundry detergent, like cotton, fresh laundry type of scent. So then this morning, I sprayed it on myself. The fragrance mists don't really tend to last a long time on me, but this is a super, all I can picture with this fragrance mist is like a white bed that you just washed all of the sheets. The room is like super squeaky clean. The sheets are super clean. They smell just like the laundry detergent. And it's like bright and sunny in the room. But I also get like this masculine vibe from this one. So I feel like this one leans more towards a unisex type of body mist. It doesn't lean feminine like that candle that I got. If it would have been like that candle, I would have been so excited about it. But to be completely 100% honest with you guys, I don't even know if I'm going to reach for this. Like, I don't even know if I'm going to keep this. I know everyone made such a big deal about white t-shirt, and for a while it was really hard to find and people wanted to get their hands on it. I don't know. It just smells like laundry detergent to me. And I don't really, I don't know. And then the body cream is even more sharp on that. It's like I'm rubbing fabric softener or like laundry detergent on myself, and that's just not the vibe that I like for myself. I don't know, you guys. I'm not really feeling this one. I might just leave it in my collection just to play around with it and see how I feel about it. But this would probably end up being like a sheet refresher in my room or something for when I want it to smell extra nice and clean. But as a body mist, I don't think this is for me. So I really want to hear your thoughts on what you think of white t-shirt, because I know that many of you went out and got it. Many of you love it, but I do want to hear everyone's opinions on this one, because I feel like this is going to be a 50-50 chance of liking this type of fragrance mist. And I'm gonna leave it at that. Right now at the moment, it's leaning more towards a no for me. It just smells like super clean laundry detergent mixed in with like a masculine type of vibe. And it doesn't really last too long on me. So that's my thoughts on the white t-shirt fragrance mist. Next, I'm going to move on to the fresh coconut and cotton. Now this one, I think I picked up, when I placed the order, I forgot to get the fragrance mist. So I ended up by accident placing an order and I got 2 of the body creams. So I think when my mom comes, I'm gonna see if she likes this one so that she could take one for her or my grandma or something. I'll see if anyone likes it. But the notes for this one are coconut, coastal breeze, and beachside cotton. Now this one I did like. Yes, this one is like, you can picture the same clean room and the same white sheets, the same laundry, but this house is right next to the beach and you're getting like this ocean breeze coming in through the windows, and it's way more feminine as well. So this one to me is more girly, it's more feminine, where this one is more unisex with a little bit of masculine in it. And this body mist lasted hours and hours on me. I sprayed this when I got it, and the entire evening I kept smelling this fragrance mist. It is really strong and really potent for a body mist. And it just has like this musky kind of vibe to it. It's clean, but then it's girly at the same time. It has, the coconut is beautiful, and that coastal breeze, whatever that is supposed to be, you really do get that vibe in here. It's really, really nice, and it sticks to my skin so well. So I really prefer fresh coconut and cotton over the white t-shirt. And the body cream smells amazing as well. Yeah, the body cream is the coconut is very present. So if you don't like coconut, I don't know if you would like this fragrance. It reminds me of my coconut body mist and body cream that I got last year that I love to layer with all of my coconut kind of tropical scents for summer. So I know that I'm going to use this a lot in upcoming spring and summer because I do like a lot of coconut fragrances, and this is just really, it's a fresh, clean coconut. It's a little musky to me, and it's super pretty and clean in a way that I like. Clean with a little bit of sweetness mixed in there, and it's not just sharp, clean cotton type of scent. And I did enjoy this one so much that I ended up also picking up the shower gel in the fresh coconut and cotton. So I really like the packaging for this shower gel. It is not see-through like the other ones. And this body wash smells amazing. So that is my quick little haul for the Fresh Laundry collection. I think that there's another one that I have been seeing. So I was watching Just Kayla Michelle here on YouTube. I'm going to leave her channel in the description box. She does a lot of Bath & Body Works hauls and body care hauls. And she showed in her recent haul, she was able to pick up one that's called Fresh Getaway. So I definitely want to smell that one and see how I like that one. It kind of has like the same packaging as these. So I'm not sure if it's part of this collection, but everything is kind of getting released very randomly and nothing is getting released together. So when I am able to pick up those or sniff it, I will update you guys. But that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys have tried the white t-shirt or the fresh coconut cotton. I want to hear your opinions about these. What do you think of them? Which ones do you love? Which ones are you going to pass up on? So yeah, that's going to be it from me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.